This is Villamor Air Base in Manila. These children are from Basilan, one of the southernmost islands in the country. It's one of the most beautiful places in the Philippines and the most torn apart by conflict. They are in Manila to participate in the Football for Peace program, started by the Philippine Marines in 2011 to instill positive values in youth alienated by violence and poverty. What started as a pastime in Sulu became the Marines' advocacy. Founder Lieutenant Colonel Stephen Cabanlet says, football is a starting point for a much bigger goal, to achieve peace in Mindanao.
Perspective and the character of the kids yung hinuhubog namin dito. Second, third objective na lang yun na magiging magaling sila ng football. But our priority is to teach them how to love our country, how to love their God, at saka maging disiplinado bilang isang mamamayang Pilipino.
While in Manila, the kids will compete with other teams from different provinces. They will go on field trips to museums and malls to broaden their perspectives. For the past decades, peace has been elusive in many parts of Mindanao. The years-long conflict has affected the welfare of children from provinces like Basilan, Zamboanga, and Sulu. But according to military officers assigned to these areas, the Football for Peace program has been an effective tool in teaching kids how to dream and rise above the challenge. This is 13-year-old Jericho Blas. Before learning football, the Sulu native did not see the merit of taking his studies seriously. Now, he is daring to dream.
Noon, yung nag-aaral pa ako sa ISME, basta gurero lang ginagawa ko. Manuntok lang kahit hindi kasalanan sa akin. Pangarap ko maging pulis, makatulong sa taong mahirap, para lalo-lalo na sa pamilya ko at sa kapwa ko.
The Football for Peace program still has a long way to go. The organizers need financial support to sustain the program. From Basilan to Manila, from footballs to education, to dreams, to peace. David Lozada, Rappler, Taguig.